Outside of town where the bodies are buried, the bodies are buried outside of town. To decorate the graves with the flowers they carry, the flowers they carry all scattered around. Old Joe pulls back the weeds from the headstones, he cuts the vines that grow in between. Old Joe works at the cemetery, just keeping it clean. Old Joe carries a spade and a shovel, to the top of the hill. He gets a rhythm and he starts digging, he starts singing with the whippoorwill. Sing whoa. Coming and going, as the years roll by. The whole town comes here sooner or later, everyone dies. Old Joe knows they all had secrets that could to the grave. And old Joe knows the secrets don't die on the burying day. Old Joe knows the hearse will be coming rolling when the church bell tolls. Tomorrow morning they'll be praying and preaching right over this hill. Sing oh. Wiping their eyes. Old Joe looks where they lowered the casket, the ground's still wet from the tears they cried. And after the body is 6 feet under, 6 feet down beneath the clay, he walks to the gate as the sun is setting, the working is done for one more day. No one hears the voices rising from below the ground. No one hears the stories they tell, the songs they sing when the sun goes down. They sing whoa, whoa. Outside of town where the bodies are buried outside of town. To decorate the graves with the flowers they carry all scattered around.